Hi everyone, how are you today? Red Redfern here, bringing you another update and snippet of what OnPassive is going to be giving us as a founder. Now, one of the things that is really important, is going to make a massive difference to you and your team, is the 7-day free trial. Now, a lot of people have heard about what OnPassive are going to be giving all of their customers and resellers when we launch to the world, and this is the 7-day free trial, but not many of us actually understand exactly how important it is, and above all what it's going to mean to us as founder resellers. So let's just take you through what it is going to be doing for us. Now, this is such an important part of the growth of OnPassive in the future, as far as bringing customers and resellers into the ecosystem of OnPassive. And it's going to work very simply, and it's going to work like this. Every single time that anybody clicks on one of your links, whether that is from the company, your own endeavors from sending it out, or any other medium, then that person is instantly going to get a 7-day free trial to use the whole of the OnPassive ecosystem. That is every single product and service that OnPassive has to offer. It will be in the type of a back office with a menu down the left hand side with all the products and services, suites, etc. that OnPassive have to offer. So every single person will have 7 days to try the products. They'll have 7 days to look around the OnPassive ecosystem. And guess what? Every single one of these people are going to be so impressed with what they see, they are then going to either sign up as a customer or a reseller. Now, this is so important because this is what is going to grow your team, and also this is what gives you your residual income, because these customers and resellers that come in are what makes a residual income, because they will be paying a monthly subscription to use the products and services of OnPassive. So let's just take a couple of scenarios here to try and get your head around how big this can be if you have some of these people within your team. If you're a YouTuber, for instance, and you have a large following, for instance, I've got a nephew who's got over 1 million followers on YouTube. If he sticks one of his videos on our ecosystem, then the only way that his subscribers can view that video is to actually click on the link and then view it on OnPassive. The moment that they click on that link, they have to put their name and email in it, and that person is instantly going to be part of their team. They're going to view the video that they want to view, and they also then get a 7-day free trial to use all of the products and services within the OnPassive ecosystem. How cool is that? And how many of those people do you think are going to sign up as a customer or reseller? I don't know, but I know one thing: it is a lot. And don't forget, every single one of these people that sign up under that person is a form of income for that person. So as soon as we launch to the world, we are going to get inundated with influencers, YouTubers, bloggers, vloggers. We're going to have companies coming to us and all sorts of people who will want to use our ecosystem, because not only will they see the benefit of using our products and services because they are going to be better, they're going to be cheaper, and they are going to be easier to use and make their life simpler and easier, but the best of it all is they'll be able to make a residual income from it as well. So that's just a little video then to explain to you the 7-day free trial, how important it is going to be, and it is definitely going to be the thing that I will be marketing personally to all my friends, family and acquaintances in the future, because I know the benefit of being able to give something to somebody for free. Everybody loves a freebie at the end of the day. 7-day free trial to use the products and services of OnPassive. And even if they do not sign up underneath you afterwards, they will still be able to use the free services and products of OnPassive, because there will be some there as well, and they will see how beneficial it is to them, because they will see the importance of having everything in one place under one roof. Anyway, guys, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. If you are watching this on YouTube, just below here is a thumb like this. This is the like button. Just give that a click if you would. And if you're not already a subscriber to my channel, please subscribe. And this will then instantly notify you when I do a new video. Anyway, if you are interested in becoming a founder in OnPassive, if we haven't launched already, or a reseller in OnPassive when we have launched, just click on that link in the bio underneath, and it will take you through to a page to explain exactly what OnPassive has to offer you as a person in the internet space. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.